Hello. So here I am starting my journey for Gavaldev, and I'm at the Kumshet village right now. And that mountain, what you see, is the Gavaldev mountain where I'm going to climb. So here I'm starting my journey for Gavaldev, and that gentleman ahead, he is going to be my guide, and he will stay with me tonight on top of Gavaldev. काका तुमचं नाव काय आहे?
अंकुश आसोली.
अंकुश इथे सांगा कॅमेरामध्ये.
अंकुश आसोली माझे.
अंकुश असवले.
हो चालेल.
हां, अंकुश असवले माझे गाईड आहे. आता आज रात्री माझ्याबरोबर वरती थांबणार मुक्कामी. चला आपला ट्रॅक चालू करूया. आता चालू झाला आहे ऑलरेडी. हा जे आहे कुमशेतचा डोंगर आहे ना,
हो वाकडी सुलका म्हणतात.
वाकडी सुलका. आणि हा कुठला आहे ह्याच्या बाजूला?
तो मळ्याचा डोंगर म्हणतात.
मलाईचे डोंगर. आणि हा समोरचा
हा घनचक्कर.
हा घनचक्कर आहे. आणि गावादेव त्याच्या मागे
पाठीमागं गवळी देऊ.
बाकी मागे. तर आता आपण घनचक्कर जाईल, घनचक्कर बघून गावडी देईल जाईल.
हो घनचक्कर.
त्याचं सो we'll go to Ganchakar and then we'll go to Gauli-Dev. So we are going to climb 2 mountains. Yes. So we have one more guide with us. So today I've got 2 guides with me. See, my guide is coming so fast with me. The Katrabai mountain is behind this mountain, and we are climbing up towards Ganchakar. So this is Ganchakar. हा Ganchakar आहे ना?
हो
Ganchakar. ते गावडदेव आहे ना मागेचं?
हो गावळी.
The Gavardev, the mountain next to Ganchakar, which you can see behind. That is side we can see, maybe in the fog you might not be able to see, but I can see over here the Taramati peak, which is the Harishandragarh mountain. And there at down is the Kumshet village from where I've started my trek. Until now we've reached over here, and we've climbed almost, we've walked for 29 minutes and we covered 1.13 kilometer right now. And we are at a height of 980 meter above sea level. Here I can see the Kumshet village, the beautiful Sahyadri. Sahyadri is so beautiful to explore, and you can see where I am standing right now. I am standing at the cliff, and we came from here. तुमचा व्हिडिओ काढतो आहे. So there we have to go over there on top, and this is where we have came from. The cliff is all open, so if you just slip your leg even for an inch, then you are gone forever. So finally we started climbing the Ganchakar mountain. We started our journey from there. Then we climb on this mountain. We traverse from here, and from inside, from this cliff, we came over here, and now we are heading on top of the Ganchakar mountain. Till now So far the journey has been so beautiful. Such an amazing view from here. I can see some great mountains in front of me, and I am also climbing one of the third biggest mountain of Maharashtra. Beautiful, so peaceful. And the best part is that this trek is not known, so right now there is no other trekker on this mountain except for me and my guide from the village. So, and our friend, a dog who accompanied us from the village, from the base. So except for three of us, there is no one over here on this mountain. चला.
हा समोरचा पलीकडचा डोंगर येतो आजा पर्वत आणि आलाडी डोंगर येतो मध्ये करंडा डोंगर आणि त्याच्यानंतर हा कातळाची खिंड कातळाचा डोंगर आणि नंतर मग आता हा घनचक्कर येणार आपण त्या घनचक्करचा डोंगर आणि नंतर मग त्याच्या पाठीमागं गवळी डोंगर
त्याच्या पाठीमागे गवडी डोंगर.
हो असं.
हा. अंकुश साहेब आपली एक्सपर्टीस दाखवता इथे आम्हाला सर्व डोंगरची भेट करवता. So guys, earlier that mountain was above me. Now I am above that mountain. I have reached at a very good height. I can clearly see the Katrabai Khind over here. This is the Katrabai mountain. This side is Ganchakkar. On the back side over there is Ajoba. Here this side I can see Harishchandragarh. Can't like it's not visible in the camera right now, but I can see with my naked eyes over here. I can see Taramati Peak. That is the mountain of Kumshet. And here I am. One thing is that the trek over here is a very steep and a vertical trek, though it is not taking, and it's very good actually, it is not taking that much of a time to reach on top, but it's a straight vertical climb and it passes through a very dense forest like this, where you have to pass through the bushes like this. There's lots of patches over here where you have to walk like this. It's a very lesser known route, not that much popular with the regular trekkers of Sahyadri. And this is what the fun is of coming alone and exploring things with your own, that you get to explore nature completely. You get to walk on the lesser known path. You have to walk like this. See how Ankush Babu is going and showing me the path. Finally I'm out of this. And here this side I'll go over there on the top of Ganchakkar. So my activity has got paused automatically, but we walked for 2.21 kilometers in 1 hour 20 minutes, and we are right now at 1210 meters above sea level. So last time when I had seen it was 980 meter, so we came up almost 230 meters in half an hour. So nice and beautiful view. My guide is telling me, come fast, don't waste time in recording video. So here we have taken a short water break, and we have almost climbed the Ganchakkar mountain. As you can see, all the other mountains are looking small from here, and here here is the top of Ganchakkar mountain. Basically Ankush Bahu has just went over there on top, somewhere over there. So there's a water available. He was knowing it that there is a water available over there below the rock. So and there's no water available on top. So what we did is, whatever we want to drink, as much as water we have drank, and he just went over there to refill our bottles, so that we can use that water for tonight. And one more thing, which is like, since we are running ahead of our time, we are going at a very good pace. So initially we thought of staying at Ganchakkar mountain, but now we are thinking that we'll not take a night halt at Ganchakkar mountain. We'll visit the Ganchakkar top plateau, and then we'll move ahead to Gavaldev, and there we'll take a night halt. There we'll stay, and we'll cook our dinner, we'll have food, and we'll sleep in our tent. And then tomorrow morning we'll get down from the Katrabai side. So like this trek, I have not thought like this trek was supposed to be just one mountain trek, but it has turned out to be a range trek, wherein I am going to cover 3 mountains in today and tomorrow morning. So 2 mountains we are going to cover today, Ganchakkar, Gavaldev. So we are going over here at Ganchakkar. This is the Ganchakkar top, and then behind that Gavaldev mountain is there, and from Gavaldev we'll go towards Katrabai side, which is over there, that side, and then from there we'll come down over there behind this mountain. We'll come down over there, and then tomorrow morning from Katrabai we'll come back to Kumshet, which is there. So guys, I'm really excited for my trek. The trek is going super nice right now. Let's see how it goes ahead. But yeah, it is going really nice. The view is ultimate. The weather is amazing. It's not that cold right now. I thought that it will going to be a very freezing cold, but it is not at all a cold right now. Let's see how the climate will be there in the night. So guys, that is Gauri Dev, which is the 3rd highest peak of Maharashtra, and we have climbed on top of the Ganchakkar mountain. So this entire mountain, what you see around us, is entirely Ganchakkar mountain. That Gauri Dev is also part of Ganchakkar mountain only. Ganchakkar mountain डोंगरचा जे आहे ना, हा पूर्ण Ganchakkar डोंगर आहे ना.
हो, हा पूर्ण गंचकर
हा पूर्ण Ganchakkar आहे. Yes. So there where you can see I can see a small flag over there. So we are going to stay over there on top tonight, and it's like you can see over here. Oh, there's a mirror in my lens because I have dropped my camera. So it's 3 kilometers we've walked, and we've walked for 3 kilometers, and in 2 hours 13 minutes we have taken a very long break of water, and right now we are 1285 meter above sea level, and totally we have climbed 442 meters from our base village, and that's it. So we came from that side. Now we are going over there, and tomorrow we'll go over there, and then we'll get down from there. So like we are going to explore this entire range of mountains, and we are on the plateau of Ganchakkar mountain right now. You can see it's a vast, huge plateau. It's a nice place, a very calm, pleasing. So on Ganchakkar top, suddenly we found this place, such beautiful place. Someone has done a proper setup. We have a proper shade over here. We have a tree where we have a very beautiful boundary with an enclosure and everything. So it's a very perfect place to spend our night. So then now we have made a small change in our plan, wherein we are not heading towards Gavaldev. Rather than we are just, we'll take a night halt over here only. We'll cook our food. There's a kitchen also over here. There must be some villager who must be living over here. So we'll cook. You can't. There's a light is very less over here. I'll just put a flashlight. So there's a kitchen over here. So we'll cook our food over here in the night, and it must be some place for some villager only to stay. So we'll spend our night over here, and then tomorrow morning we'll go to Gavaldev and then we'll head ahead more on our journey. So just wait for some time and see our magic in some time. So guys, finally our campsite is ready. I'll go at the start at the beginning, and then we can just have a walk through. It's right now it's 6:46. We are at the top of Ganchakkar mountain. So this is the entry of our campsite. Yes. So as you can see, this is our living room. This is our garden area. So-called garden area of our campsite. And I've bought a hammock also from my home. So I have placed a hammock over here. So in the night I can just chill out for some time and enjoy the nature. Then this side, though we don't require a tent over here, but still, since I have taken a pain to bought this tent, so I have put up a tent over here in the shade. At least will be saved from mosquitoes and other insects. So it's better to sleep in a tent in the night. I'll take on the other side. Here our master chef Mr. Ankush Bhau is preparing for dinner. This is our kitchen, this is our stove where we are going to cook our food. He is talking on phone at his home. And here for dinner we have cauliflower, potato, peas for our dinner. Then rice we have. So we are going to have a yummy food. Let's start making the food, and then we'll have our dinner and we'll spend some good time over here. Till then, abyato. Here we are keeping rice. Since we have only one vessel, so we'll first cook rice and then we'll cook the sabzi, and Ashwin Babu has already got bhakri from his home, so we'll just heat up the bhakri and to have it. Here's our chef preparing the food, the delicious dinner. Our chef Ashwin Babu has cooked the rice. Now it's time for some gravy sabzi. So this is what we are going to cook: potato, cauliflower and peas. It's 7:25 right now, and maybe in next 15 minutes our food will be ready. We'll have dinner and then we'll enjoy the piece. You can hear the sound and you can see how dark it is over here, pitch dark. Let me sit on the hammock and enjoy this peaceful time. Our guide, our protector, whatever we can call it, he is also watching the food getting prepared. He is also hungry. We've just gave him some biscuits, but now he is looking at this yummy food which is in process. We forgot to get the spoon, so that's why we are using the stick as a stirrer to cook the food. This is how we are controlling the flame of our stove. Truly guys, it's a completely a different experience, and I know that there very few people must have experienced such kind of an experience in their life.
या इकडे आमच्याकडे वरती चक्कर गणचक्कर आले का लसूण कांदे चालत नाही.
लसूण कांदे नाही चालत
नाही चालत
इथे. काय जैन आहे काय सगळे?
हां, त्याच्याकरता मग असं साधंच करायचं लागत वरती.
असं आहे. हो. अरे हा कांदे नाही आहे ना.
हां, कांदा नाही, लसूण नाही.
हा,
असं.
तर घनचक्कर डोंगरवर असं आहे ते. तर काय इकडची अशी काही मान्यता आहे, काय आहे काय?
तसं म्हणजे आहे हे देवाचंच आहे तसं.
देवाचे आहे त्यामुळे.
हां.
तर तुम्ही लोक कधी पण येईल इथे तर इथे कांदा लसूणच्या तुम्ही काही नाही बनवत?
नाही, काहीच नाही बनवायचं.
नाहीच बनवत.
आणि घरी येताना सुद्धा खाऊन यायचं नाही. असं आहे आमच्याकडे.
असं आहे. पण घरी गेल्यानंतर तुम्ही खाऊ शकता ना?
हो, घरी गेल्यानंतर खाऊ शकता. आता हे काय सगळेच नाही, आता हे बाहेरचे जे फिरणारे येतात ना
हा.
ते सगळं खातात, इथे काही अडचण नाही.
अडचण नाही आहे.
पण आम्ही स्वतः हाताने नाही बनवत.
तुम्ही गावातले लोक नाही हे
हा,
करत.
गावातले लोक.
Feels so amazing sitting on a mountain, just three of us alone, no one else, and at least in our radius of 4 to 5 kilometers there won't be a single human over here. There are only just 2 human beings and 1 dog having their dinner. The food is ultimate, yummy. The dog is also enjoying the bhakri. After a lovely dinner, we had taken a round of this mountain plateau, and in a pitch dark night, the moon has not yet come out, and we were just enjoying the open sky with stars. And now it's time for some gupshup with a bonfire, and then good night. This is what you really enjoy when you come to an isolated mountain where no one else is over there. So you don't find any human voice, any other kind of a nuisance. You are just enjoying your own. बाकी सांगा काही काहीतरी स्टोरी वोरी असेल तर.
स्टोरी आता काय सांगता, तुम्ही सांगता तेव्हा मी ऐकेल.
निसर्गाच्या येऊन निसर्गाचा आनंद घ्यायचा आहे. मला बरं वाटतंय एकदम.
पैसा किती कमावला तरी पैसा नाही माणसाला
हा,
महत्वाचा.
पैसा
माणूस माणसाला कसा वागला हे
कसं
महत्वाचं
वाटलं?
आहे.
ते बरं आहे.
हा, पैसा किती कमी तरी आजकाल पैसाच आहे.
हा आजकाल तर
हा,
सगळीकडे
पैसाच आहे.
पैसेच आहे बस.
गरीब कोणी राहिला नाही आता.
हा
क्वचित एका 100 एखादा अर्धा,
हा
नाही तर शक्यतो सगळी खायला सगळी सारखीच खात्यात.
सारखेच खातात. बरोबर आहे.
वरण भात भाजी येतं, प्रत्येकाचा आहारच आहे तो.
हा
मग याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कोण खात्यात नाही ना काही
बरोबर आहे.
असे.
बरोबर.
गरीब आहे तोच खातोय
हा,
आणि श्रीमंत आहे सुद्धा तेच खाणं खातात
तेच छान आहे.
असं होते.
हा तेच
फक्त माणूस जन्माला आला तो माणसासारखा जगला पाहिजे,
बरोबर.
याला महत्व आहे, बाकीचं नाही.
हा तेच.
तुम्ही किती कमावलं याचा काय उपयोग नाही,
याचा
पण
उपयोग नाही.
तुम्ही जगले कसे याला किंमत आहे.
हा.
असं आहे.
So we are preparing our breakfast now. Last night we had a nice sleep. It was chilling. The night was chilling cold, and it's cold right now also. As you can see, so now in the daylight we can see our campsite properly. This is what the place is. And this is where inside we have kept our tent and we slept over there. Now we are done with all our morning routines. We had our breakfast, we emptied our stomach also, and now we have done all the pack-up. As you can see, the area is all clear. We've swiped up the area also, and now we are going to start our journey towards Gauli Dev. So let's start our day. It's 8 o'clock. We are already late, but that's okay. So our guard is also ready and हा ते कुठलं आहे ते बाज आहे ना. We are already at almost 1200 meter above sea level, and you can see the eagles just chilling out over here on the sky. You can see the beautiful texture of clouds. Sun is already up, but since there are clouds, so it's not that much sunny, and our target is to reach over there today, and from there we'll start our return journey either from Katrabai or from the same route. The marking loud. We are heading towards the top of the mountain. Yes, yoo-hoo! On the third highest peak of Sahyadri. Over here called Kauli Dev. That's why this cliff is known as Gawal Dev. I can see Ratangad also over there. Let me just take my stick and so this is Katrabai. From Katrabai the backside mountain is Ratangad. This side all foggy over here, and there are a few more mountains over here, and I can feel like I'm standing on the top of all these mountains because I can see all the mountains below me. Ashwin Babu doing prayers at the temple. Yeah, on the third highest peak of Maharashtra. Today from our campsite we took almost 1 hour 52 minutes to reach over here, and 1.52 kilometers we walked, and we took 48 minutes to reach over here, and right now we are at 1448 meters above sea level. Maybe you guys will be able to see. 1447 meters above sea level, and we climbed almost 196 meters totally from our campsite. From our campsite, this peak is 200 meters above. It's a nice trek. This is what the top of the Gawal Dev Ganchakar. There is the temple over there. This side the Katrabai range, Katrabai mountain. Then Ratangad. Here over there on the down is Bandalara. Then that side behind is Kalsubai. That side is Kalsubai behind this. This is the Sherpunji Ganchakar mountain. And now let's head towards the temple. The view is ultimate. Today, because of fog, we are not able to see it properly, but in the camera. But yeah, naked eyes at least I can see something, and it we are on our return journey now, and we are heading towards Katrabai, and then we'll get down from there, from Katrabai. So basically we've started our journey somewhere down from there, and then we came up, we stayed on that downstairs, one plateau is there, we stayed over there in the night. We came over here, we went over there on top, went on top, not over here, but there's a one more top behind this, and now we'll go from this side over there on that mountain, and from there we'll get down. So basically we've done an entire circle over here, and like we will be crossing 1, 2 and 3 mountains. So we already crossed these 2 mountains today. We are on the second mountain right now, and now we are going towards the third mountain, and from third mountain we'll get down. So this is what our journey of a new year to welcome 2021. 2020 was a very bad year for most of the people, and it was the worst year in the entire mankind, wherein such kind of a disease which has came and which has really disturbed the life of each and everyone. And personally, I've also got disturbed a lot because of this lockdown, and like so many things which were running behind my head, and I was eagerly waiting for such kind of a trip where I will go out and I'll spend time with my own, with the mother nature, and where I'll get time to think about myself, and where I can share my experiences, and I can share my journey also through this video. And really this journey has given me a great refreshment, and it has filled me lots and lots of positive energy in me. So let's hope how the year 2021 goes for everyone. We've reached at Katrabai Khind. This is the ridge of Katrabai. During the Trans Sahyadri region, this was the main route which people used to use it for traveling. And from here, we came from here, this side, from this pathway, and now we'll go down from here towards Kumshet. This side over here on top, there's a temple of Katrabai, Katra Mandir over here. This route goes towards Ratangad. This route goes towards Ratangad. Ratangad mountain is behind this mountain. We can't see it from here. And that side is Bandadara backwaters, Bandadara waters. So really enjoying the trip, and check out the Katrabai temple, which is here. This is the temple of Katrabai. So there, the top mountain what you see, we started our journey from there, and we walked for 4 kilometers, crossing one mountain and in 1 hour. That's a very good speed which we have gained, since we are just 2 of us, so that's why we are able to go fast. There's no waste of time for clicking selfies. It's just some small gaps of clicking this video clips. So we've almost reached at the base now. As you can see, a farm over here. So this is the mountain of Katrabai, and that side in that middle was the Katrabai Pass, Katrabai Khind, and from there we started our descending. We came this side, and from here we are heading towards there, that side. And behind this there was one more mountain, and behind that mountain was the mountain from where we started our journey in the morning. And it's 12 o'clock in the noon right now. We've taken one more break for refreshment, and there we've taken a break of almost 15 minutes just to get relaxed. So that's why we took little bit time, but still we are running at a very good pace, and this is where our journey is now coming closer to an end. Bye bye Katra bhai. And finally we are here back where we was, and this is the house of Ankush Babu, who has helped me for my entire trek. So it was really a wonderful trek, and I hope guys you will also come and explore this treks. I have given the details, the mobile number of Ankush Babu in the description box. You can contact him whenever you are coming to Kumshet. He is well aware about all the mountains surrounding to Kumshet, so you can plan a really great adventurous trip over here. There are multiple mountains over here. There are different mountains, so it is not like a spot where you will get a chance to climb only one mountain. There are different mountains. So as you can see over here, it is all surrounded by mountains. So wherever you want, you can plan your trip. You can contact him anytime, and he will plan a really nice trip for you. Okay guys, see you. Bye. Let's see you on my next adventure. Thank you.